Alright guys, so today I'm going to be trading NFP news. I don't advise you do this. I don't condone it. It's extremely stupid, and the only reason I'm doing it is because I'm extremely stupid. And it's just a bit fun as well. I only recommend you do this with like throwaway money. You know, like when you find a £5 note in your coat, like in an old coat or something, and you just think, oh, I can go get a drink now, or McDonald's. Like that type of money, just to throw away. So don't do this with your own capital. Don't do this with a real trading account. This is literally just to throw away. You have to imagine that you're going to lose your whole account, which is exactly what I have done before as well. I've blown my account in the past. It's probably karma for trading NFP, and I'm going to do it again today. I'll probably get some more bad karma, but we'll see. Who knows? And this is what happened last time I tried to trade NFP. Phone's charging. Oh shit. My stop just got activated. My sell stop. By the exact pip. What the fuck? My buy stop didn't go. What? My buy stop didn't activate. What the fuck? I can't believe that. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know why I've got high hopes for today. But hope for the best, expect the worst. So anyway, the strategy is very simple actually. So I did some research today. Again, you can't count on this research, it's not real research. But every single month for the past year on NFP news, price's standard deviation to go in the opposing direction before going in the correct direction. So for example, if price was gonna eventually go up and the news was good, say on USD JPY, it could go down beforehand and take people out. So the standard deviation on gold is 2.5 is the max. 2.5 pips is like the most on gold that it can go in the opposing direction before it then goes in your direction. So what I'm going to do is 5 minutes before, I'm going to place buy stop and a sell stop 2.5 pips away from where the current market price is. This should be safe enough so that if price goes and hits one of them, it's going to continue going in that correct direction. I'll split it up into two positions though. So I have one position 2.5 pips away, another position 3 pips away, and then vice versa on the other side. This is either going to go very well and exactly how I've analyzed it too, or it's going to go completely wrong and it's going to be embarrassing. But we'll see. It's just a bit of fun, and again, I'm throwing away this money anyway. Don't do this at home, even though I'm doing this at home right now. Alright guys, so we're 4 minutes away from news now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till the last minute to move my buy stop and my sell stop to 2.5 away from where price is. Because as you saw last time I did this, even before the news started, there was a huge push in any direction, but that just took me out completely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my buy stop and my sell stop like miles out, right? And because I'm using MT5, it's quite quick. So in the last 10 seconds, I can just move my sell stop to where it needs to be and move my buy stop to where it needs to be. It like literally 20:35, I'll just chuck a buy stop. 20:35. Okay. Now I need a sell stop. We'll go with 2020. Oops. Yeah, 2020. Okay. So now you see we have these miles out. I'm going to be super safe. Ignore the emails, that's just for my trade copier. Okay guys, let's now see how badly this ends up. So we're actually a minute away now. So if I move this to where it needs to be, 27, so 25. So 2025 is where my sell stop needs to be. Over there. We'll put this other one here. And this one needs to be at 2030. And this one at 2031. Okay guys, it's actually kind of scary. Here we go. Oh my god. That one just closed it out by itself. I don't even know what happened there. Right, we're running in profit. Price is pushing down. I think I got margin called on one of my positions. Alright. We're still pushing. This is scary. I think we're going to take some of my position off. There we go. Move the stop to break even. Close out these buy stops. Check what the news did. Still pending actually, but it's good for US dollar, so bad for gold. See what happens. I'm probably going to take it off, take my position off there. So if I just get the take profit and chuck it over here, maybe price can reach down to there. Don't know. I also want to see what happened with my other position, my other sell stop, and why it just immediately, it just disappeared. I just lost money and it just disappeared. But provided I don't get slipped, if price can come back up here to my stop loss and it doesn't slip me, then this ended up profitable. Whereas last time, obviously, that was not fun. I lost like 250 quid or something like that. No reason for me to close out my trade yet. Let's actually take a look at what happened. I am not sure. We lost 100 on the first one. I can't imagine I would get margin called because I have 500 in this account, which is enough to hold 100 floating loss. So, I don't know. That's the annoying thing about brokers, is they just do whatever you want. Like, I mean, they just do whatever they want, not what you want. Because last time, I got filled on my sell stop and lost that position, and then didn't get filled on my buy stop. Alright guys, so it didn't take long for gold to keep pushing down. We're still moving now. I just have UJ up on my other screen here, and not much happened on UJ. Well, actually, never mind, that's a lie. UJ pumped, and obviously we have bullish news. So look at all of this clean traffic here that potentially the US dollar could go back up to. So gold could just keep dropping for a while. But we'll see. Currently in 100 profit right now. Obviously price is very volatile, so it just keeps changing. But so we made 10% on the account. Well, almost. Yeah, £47. And then we're just waiting on this one. I still think it's going to push down a lot further. But another thing that happens is people tend to wait for some kind of liquidity to be taken out, and then they'll start buying or selling in the opposite direction of the first move of NFP. I saw that last time. There was a huge push. It started taking out loads of prior liquidity, and then there was a push to the upside, and then everybody started selling after the liquidity. It went all the way back down to where news had started the push, and then it kept just going back up and back down, and everyone would have been catching buys and sells. Alright guys, unfortunately, price hit my stop loss, which was like an extra £10. So we lost out on one of our sell stops, which should have just kept running. I think it was because both of them got activated, and so the first one, because it was a bit higher up, would have been safe, and then the other one, which was lower down, and then obviously when price reversed, that one was in some deeper loss than the first sell stop, which would have meant that I was probably floating like 250 in loss for like even just a millisecond, but price would have had to take out one of the positions, so I didn't get margin called. But as you can see, so minus 100 and then plus 165. So we ended with 60 profit, which is actually not as much as I wanted, because although yes, I'm happy I profited, because last time I lost a shit ton of money. That should have been a way bigger. I shouldn't have lost the 100. I should have made another like 150, because of the fact that, you know, my sell stop just decided to disappear. But anyway, can't complain. We still made money even though we were gambling. Don't do this at home unless you're also very stupid and you want to do it. But again, only if you're willing to throw away that money. Like last time I did it, I had such like a small account, and I lost 250, and the rest of the day and the weekend I was like fucking losing my mind. You're not gonna enjoy your weekend and your Friday if you lose a bunch of money trying to trade news, and then you're gonna start regretting it, saying, oh, why did I trade news for the rest of the weekend? Because that is what I did after I lost £250. But you know, fuck around, find out. There we go. So guys, I will be back next month to start risking 1,000 on NFP, because why not? No, don't actually trade NFP, guys. It's pretty stupid. I'm still minus 200 on overall when you think about, well, I've only traded NFP twice, but I'm minus 200 over those 2 times. So, and next time I trade it, I could lose even more, guys. It's not clever. As you can see, like random stuff can happen. Like yes, I profited, but if I had only used one sell stop, well, I don't know if I would have got liquidated, but the same thing could have happened where you just get stopped out like randomly, or you just lose money, or like what happened last month is goes down, takes out one of your positions and then shoots to the other side, because you don't really know how far price is going to move in any one direction, or if it's going to reverse or anything. Like that's the whole point. No one knows what's happening with news. They're just taking a gamble. But that was it, guys. So I made 160, lost 100, so up 60 on the day. I'm gonna go get a McDonald's now. No, not really. I'll see you guys in my trade recaps next week.